Hi everybody, today I'm at Accent Homes. I'm actually in their model home. This community is sold out, but they're going to have a community coming in Rock Hill and North Charlotte, another community. The homes in Rock Hill should be hitting the market in November. What I like about these homes is a lot of their standard features are upgrades that you would have with other builders. We're going to tour the Willow Model. This model has 4 bedrooms, has a loft, 2 bathrooms, but it's a really nice model. Quality features. You can tell it's quality construction. So let's go take a look in. Thanks everyone for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. I post videos every week on Wednesdays. And if you're interested in this builder and the new communities that are coming to our Charlotte region, don't hesitate to contact me. I can give you all the information you need. See you next time.